Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update video on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we are heading to the section of the highway where, okay, let's tell you exactly where we are. The highway is going to go from Albion Heights over the hill to Grandspend, just outside Grandspend. So we are at the point where the new alignment of the highway from Albion Heights to just outside Grandspend merges back with the existing roadway. So right here on the right is the new road that comes over the hill, and then here now it merges back to where the old road or the main road used to be. So from this point now to Yalos, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So here you can get a very nice view of what the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is all about. Very nice road. This might very well be one of the nicest highways in Jamaica, or the nicest highway in Jamaica. This section is finished. It's 4 lanes, dual carriageway. So the highway doesn't go through Grandspend anymore, but you can turn right there to go into Grandspend. The alignment of the highway, it built a new road, so you no longer go through Grandspend, but you can access Grandspend from that exit. But this is what you call progress for Jamaica. Very nice highway. This project was needed. It has opened up St. Thomas and Portland to so much investment, because you can drive on a road like this from Kingston to St. Thomas all the way to Portland. I mean, the amount of investment that's coming to this side of the island, really impressive. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center being built, massive facility, and I think they're building one in Portland as well. The government is also improving the infrastructure over here. The fire stations, the police stations are being upgraded. Very nice project. And the entire section between Harborview and Yalo should finish in August of this year. And this is what that section is going to look like. A road like this running from Kingston to Yalos. 4-lane dual carriageway with the Jersey barrier. That's the concrete barricade in the middle. Very nice road. I mean, this road could easily accommodate 50,000 cars a day. Easily. Now, the entire project is to build, I think, 132 kilometers of road from Harborview to Port Antonio. But they're building it out in sections. And the first section to be completed will be from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, 4 lanes. And then from the Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio, it's going to be 2 lanes. Some sections will have 4 lanes. And the entire project is scheduled to finish in 2025. And of course, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor, the major contractor for the entire project. Some sections they had subdivided out to local contractors, but that didn't work out too well, and China Harbour Engineering Company is taking over some of those sections. We have videos up about the local subcontractors, so you can check it out to get more details on why China Harbour is taking it over. look at how nice that road is. Something just doesn't seem right about this road right here. It's just too small for these big trucks to pass with another vehicle on it. But it's temporary, it's a growing pain. I mean, you can see the very nice road to the left, so hopefully they'll open up that section very soon, but it's just kind of narrow when a big truck is passing. But there is the future. Very nice road being worked on. And I don't think the road we're on is going to be a part of the highway. I think the 4 lanes are to the left. This is probably like because you see the houses to the right, so this is probably a side road that they just use because they're working on the highway. Although I don't see any Jersey barrier on the road over there, but they'll probably put it in. Okay, yes, now I know where we are. This is Albion. This is definitely not the main road. This is a side road. So somewhere out here they had the incident with the security guard truck. But all 4 lanes for the highway will be on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.